I don't know if y'all can hear me. As you can see, I'm driving my 350Z. We're driving it to Midpond for Team Skriek, kind of private day. A couple other friends are coming from like, I think Arkansas, maybe Ohio, but I don't know how much I'm gonna film because it's supposed to be somewhat of a wet day, and I've learned GoPros don't like being, you know, having water on the screens, and it just always looks like crap. So, but yeah, I'll show you a couple clips from there. But don't forget to, you know, do the little thumbs up thingy, or comment, or say something, or hit that subscribe button. But thank you. We were bullying him. Holy shit. I was probably like, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but we were close as hell from his back bumper on those transitions. Oh. You all right, baby? All right. That right rear's cooked. Shit. I'm gonna pull out and check these tires. That right rear, you hear it kind of. Can't tell if it's delaminated or something's up with it. Got a late start. And that's 6-7 in Midpond. It's bright today. Just been kind of delayed on filming stuff. Just been life, man. Been super busy. But thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, go hit the little button. It really does help a lot. I know this video is kind of all over the place, but I completely forgot to use my cameras that I brought. But once again, thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.